What's up, guys? I need to out of here. Playing a little goat. Drawing some cards.
That's a good start.
We'll see. I don't want this card in my opening hand.
Okay, then.
And I think I'm going to get rid of that guy. Tight. My OG Abyss Soldier. He's my boy.
What the hell is this?
I don't know. You pick your deck, so... this one was not assigned to you.
You know what?
No, I don't know what. Okay. Oop, that's not it. That's top of deck. Mill that.
That's better.
You just donked out your BLS, though. And doubled him off.
Yeah.
Dude, this hand is awkward.
You think your hand is awkward?
Fine.
My deck still has win conditions without BLS and one Chaos Orc.
I'll take your word for it.
Let's hit you for more than Snatch Steal takes.
I'm ringing your angel.
14, yeah.
Woo.
Wow, that's good.
That card. I mean, you got Thunder Dragon off first, so I probably hit it.
Really?
I didn't hit it, though.
You had a 50-50 shot to hit the Thunder Dragon. Damn.
But here's the deal. I didn't. Also, I gained 1,000.
Yeah. Sure.
And someone's Heavy Storm is in the graveyard, so set 2.
Sure. Set him off. Attack.
Activate Dust Tornado. Give me that back.
Ooh. Yeah.
I don't have the effect, though, because the other one is on the board. I don't know why I didn't summon this. I think I want to set it. I will do that. That feels... I mean, wrong, but what can you do?
T-set pass.
We're already here. All right, Dust.
Oof.
You know what? We're just going to go for it.
Sure. Effect.
What the... Hold on. All right. Fine. Banish top 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, you can do them all at once, right? Wow, that was bad.
What do you get?
Shiny Angel.
You get them to your hand. The other cards go to your hand.
Did I put them into grave? Oh, I put them in grave. I was hoping for at least one.
So you have
more
knock.
monster.
So I have to summon that in attack. I didn't normal summon this turn, though. So I have to put this here. Huh. I obviously don't want to Suicide Zalug. So I think we're going to play this card.
Sure.
And I think we're going to use the effect of Exile Force and kill the angel.
Sure, sounds good.
Then we're going to set 1. Yeah.
Well, that's getting discarded.
Thunder Dragon, yeah. Hold on.
I'm paying cost. I gotta pay cost. Sure.
Suck it.
Really? That's funny. Alright, normal summon tomato?
Yeah.
Battle suicide?
We're gonna put me face down. Effect. Take 100.
Hold on, I'm thinking.
Okay.
I will chain to book to set myself.
Okay. Main 2 knock.
Yeah, main 2 knock.
There we go. I should have known. I think you knew
pass.
you had that book too, so I'm just terrible at this game.
Yeah, I got it off of
Get serpent, set 1 pass.
Flip tomato.
Yeah.
Play angel. 28. Unless that's mirror force.
We'll sack you the tomato.
Sack you the tomato? Okay.
Yeah.
Go ahead. That cyber jar was insane.
Heavy?
Sure. Yeah, that's a card.
Attack for 600?
Effect.
Yep, targets left.
Yep.
Oh, this card.
Yeah, that's a card.
Forgot about that card.
Yeah, it's a good target, too. I hear 34. I'll set. Take the 500. Banish both.
Sure.
Go ahead.
Seeing as how I think both your knocks are in the graveyard. 1, 2, yeah, so I can set my serpent. No, I need this card. It's good. Yeah.
Excuse me?
It's
Serpent.
It's serpent. It's coming right back.
I was like, wait a minute, here. Oh, that's a good draw. Did I pot already?
No, I played Graceful.
Sure.
Attack for 5.
Hmm?
You gonna take the 500?
No, sorry. I was looking at something.
You're good. When I was reading about this deck, it said, has very, hold on, target. Hold on a second. You know what? We're just gonna flip it.
Ooh. Sure.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I thought you only had 1 knock engrave.
Breaker break.
Yep. Ooh. What's your best target on that? This soldier?
Activate effect bounce.
Yeah, GG.
Oh my god. So fun fact, someone in the comments was like, hey, if you would have called Breaker, or if you would have called Abyss Soldier earlier in the game, you would have won. And because of that comment, I knew to premature burial for Abyss Soldier to win the game. So thanks for watching, guys.